Cookie Couture. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make royal icing without using meringue powder. You're going to need egg whites, powdered sugar, and key lime juice. First, you need to sieve your sugar, separate your egg whites, and squeeze your lemon juice. Then, you're going to add the egg whites to your mixer and beat in medium speed for about 1 minute. Then, you're going to add little by little your powdered sugar. It might start making little balls, but you can add a little bit of water and increase the speed to high and beat for 4 minutes. Then you're gonna lower the speed and add your lime juice and continue beating for 1 more minute. Then you can add a little bit of water to add a little bit of shine, and you're gonna know if your royal icing is ready if it make like firm peaks as it shows in the video. That's it. I hope you like it. Thank you and please subscribe. Bye.